Precious is on my team.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and as you can see per the title, we're doing some budgeting today. Yes, we are. So I'm gonna show you guys the system that I'm using to budget my paperworks. Okay, before we start, here I have some envelopes. This is how I used to budget. This is what I used to use. However, I've stepped up my game and now I'm using this system. Pretty soon I will be changing over this system because I did order my binder, but it's just not here yet. So we're just gonna continue with this right here. But before we get into the video, if you're wondering what polish I'm wearing on my fingernails, this is it, OPI, and what's the name of it again? Tropically Fiji Aztec or something. I'll just put it here down below because you know I'm not good at that. And then the top coat is also OPI. If you're wondering what candle I'm burning today, it's called Island Margarita. It smells so good. Get you one. Okay, so let's get into our budget. So today we're just gonna be doing a cash stuffing, and it's in the bills edition. So these are all my bills, my top priority bills that I pay, and I always make sure I stuff these envelopes and make sure I stay ahead of the game. Today I'll be stuffing over $1,400, and if you're wondering, this is our beloved Kevin. He passed away on July 11th, and we miss him so much. So let's get into our stuffing. So we're stuffing today $1,475. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna be counting what's already inside the envelope. If there's anything inside, I'm just gonna count what we're adding to the envelope. But I will definitely count this cash here just to assure you that it is $1,475, and then we can move from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So that's 300. So this is 10 and 3, that's 13. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 13, this is 14. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And that's $75. I should have an acrylic for my money, but like I said, I don't have that yet. It's gonna be here with my binder system, so maybe next budgeting video you'll see that. But for right now, we're just gonna make do with what we have. Our first envelope that we're gonna be stuffing today is our rent envelope. Like I said, we're not gonna say what's in there, we're just gonna tell you what we're adding, because that's just a lot of work to me. So today we're gonna be adding $400 to our rent envelope. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And our next envelope is our SoCal, and this is for Southern California. So that's like, what's that again? The gas company. And for the gas company, we're gonna be adding $30. So let's use a 20 and a 10. So we're adding $30 to that envelope. We didn't have anything in here anyway. Everything has been rolled over because it's the first week of October, so we're in a new month. And this is DWP, and this stands for Department of Water and Power. And for that, we are adding $80. We have no money in there. So we're gonna be adding 80. 2, 4, 6, 8. $80. For Wi-Fi, what are we adding to Wi-Fi? Let's just add $40 to Wi-Fi. We have nothing in here yet. We're at, so we're just gonna add 40. Our next is cable, I believe. Yep, cable. And for cable, we should add maybe 130, 135. So let's add 135. So we're adding 135 to cable. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to get a new cable system because I can no longer use DirecTV because of the satellite on the roof. My management company is not allowing us to have any satellite on the roof anymore, the little dish thingy. So yeah, we have to figure something out and get an alternative. So our next is debt, and that's like my credit card. So I'm gonna put 300 in credit cards. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put 300 in credit cards today. And then our next is insurance. Pretty soon my insurance should be going down a little bit. I don't know yet, but I'll figure that out by next week. But for insurance, I'm just gonna put like maybe 50. And then last but not least, my cell phone. I'm gonna put $100 in cell phone. Or no, I'm gonna put 140 because to me it seems like I have a lot of paper left over. So yeah, I'm gonna put 140 in cell phone. Yeah, let's put 140. All right, so we have all our bills stuffed, and let's see what we have left over. 50. The fan is blowing the money away. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 120. Can you guys remember that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100. So 50, 120, 100. So let's just call that 220, 270. 280, 290, 300. Yay. So I have $300 left over. I think I have a Macy's bill that I want to stuff also. And what else do I have to stuff? Like my good deeds. So this 300, I won't tell you what I'm gonna do with this 300. You just have to come back and watch the next video and see what we're gonna do with this $300. But I know for sure I'm gonna use some of the money for to put on a Macy's account that I have. It's not a lot, maybe like $30 or $45, and then we will figure out what we're gonna do with the rest. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll definitely see you in the next video. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere, I don't know. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so whenever we post a new video, you'll definitely be notified. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.